Want to send money across borders without the hassle? Let's unlock the simplicity of Worldremit for your international money transfers in just a minute and a half. First things first, if you're new to Worldremit, you'll need to create an account. Head to the Worldremit website or download the app from your app store. Click on the sign up button. It's usually prominently displayed. You will need to provide a valid email address, create a secure password, and select your country of residence. Once you've filled in your details, verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox now. You're ready to start your first transfer. Log into your newly created account. Now that you're logged in, click on Send Money. You'll be prompted to choose the country you want to send money to from the list of available destinations. Next, select how you want the recipient to receive the money. Worldremit offers several options like bank transfer, mobile money, cash pickup, or even airtime top-up. Choose the option that best suits your recipient's needs. Now, enter the amount you wish to send. Worldremit will automatically calculate the exchange rate and any applicable fees, so you know exactly how much your recipient will receive. You'll need to add your recipient's details. This might include their full name, address, bank details, or mobile money account number, depending on the delivery method you chose. Double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. Finally, choose your payment method. Worldremit accepts various payment methods, including debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Select your preferred option and follow the prompts to complete the payment. Review all the details on the confirmation page, and if everything looks correct, confirm your transfer. And that's it. Worldremit makes sending money internationally simple and secure. Use these steps to make your own secure money transfers.